Welcome to the next step in the bookstore website development project with Java Servlet, the SP and Hibernate framework. In this section, we are going to write code for the DAO or Data Access Objects classes. The purpose of having DAO classes is for encapsulating database functionalities which can be used by classes in the business or service layer. In this DAO diagram for our project, as you can see, the generic DAO interface defines operations that are common to all specific DAO classes. You see order DAO, category DAO, customer DAO, user DAO, and book DAO, and review DAO. These operations are create, update, read, delete, list all, and count. The count method returns the total number of entities or total number of rows in a table. And here is a ZPA DAO class. This class uses ZPA to implement some persistent operations that are common to all